All right, the closer I'm getting to this thing, the more I'm realizing it is really high. I don't know if I can do this. It's the tallest in Tennessee?
Yeah.
Not that bad.
It's not that bad? I don't know, it might be bad. Oh, maybe I'm gonna do it. You only live once. I think I should do it. He said that I can pick any seat. I don't think that helps. Oh, am I really gonna do this? All right, here we go. I got Abby with me at least. Am I really gonna do this? I'm really gonna do this. All right, Abby.
It's literally not that high.
Well, that's kind of subjective. We're going up. Oh boy.
All right, guys, you ready?
Not really, but I guess so.
On today's adventure, we're taking you for a ride on the tallest rotating swing tower in Tennessee. It's called the WagonWheeler at SkyLand Ranch, and we'll go over how much it costs, the weight and height restrictions of this ride, and much more as we give you a feel of what this new ride in Sevierville, Tennessee is like. So, without further ado, let the adventure begin.
So we have parked and we're ready to head up to SkyLand Ranch. So you have to get general admission. Here is the pricing for general admission. At the time of recording, the WagonWheeler swing tower is included with your admission. That could change in the future. So whether you are a season pass holder or you just get a general admission, the nice thing is that general admission is good for 3 days. So there are two ways you can get to the top of SkyLand Ranch. There is a vehicle that you can ride over here to the right to the top. It's about a 5-6 minute ride, or you can take their chairlift up here around the corner, which is what our girls are gonna do. So I'm gonna pass over the camera to them so you can enjoy the ride up to the top. So now that we've made it up top, we're gonna head to the swing entrance. As you can see, it is going up, and I saw it all the way at the top earlier, and it goes up really high, giving you an amazing view of the Great Smoky Mountains. It's coming back down, but I did want to show you the sign here at the entrance. It says you must be 48 inches tall and the maximum weight cannot exceed
530 pounds per swing.
So if you're on a swing with someone else, your combined weight can't exceed that amount. So we're gonna walk down this new platform that they've built as a ride entrance, which has this little bridge that goes over the mountain coaster. All right, the closer I'm getting to this thing, the more I'm realizing it is really high. I can see why it took the title of the tallest swing in Tennessee. Are you guys excited? Are you nervous?
Yeah, I'm excited, yeah. I'm excited.
So I'm gonna pass over the camera and everyone will see what you guys are seeing up top. So we'll follow you.
Do you want to be on the inside or whatever you want? Can I be on the inside? Yeah, sure. Okay. You ready for this? No. Oh, come on. It's not going to be that bad. Wow. There's a lot of mountains up here. Wow. So now you can see the coaster and everything. Okay. Honestly, this is not bad. We're getting higher. The breeze is nice. Oh my God. There's a lot of wind! I don't like that! Oh my gosh. Wait, that actually feels so nice. It actually feels really nice. If you close your eyes, it's just like someone turned a fan on to you. Like, Okay, actually, I'm glad it's not like the drop line, because the drop line, it's like you're free falling. This is this is much better.
This is much more supported and relaxing.
Mm-hmm. That was really nice. It felt
8 out
nice.
of 10. It was
9
very,
out of 10.
very floaty and very supported. Like, I didn't feel scared at all.
The breeze felt nice. Would you do it again?
Yeah, would you?
Yes. We should do it again.
How long up? Like how long duration?
It should be about 80 seconds.
Or shorter? We could do shorter maybe?
Shorter?
Yeah, we can do shorter. Just shorter.
How about that? You can pick any seat that you want.
I can pick any seat that I want, he says. I don't know. I don't know if I can do this. It's the tallest in Tennessee?
Yeah.
It's not that bad? I don't know. It might be bad. He said that I can pick any seat. I don't think that helps, but this one looks, let's see, 20? Yeah, 20. I feel good about 20. All right, do I want the inside or outside? That's the next question. Inside? Okay.
All right, guys, watch your seat getting in.
Oh, am I really gonna do this?
All right, here we go.
I got Abby with me at least.
Flip in right there in the center. Perfect. Just check your seatbelt real quick.
Am I really gonna do this? I'm really gonna do this. All right, Abby.
It's literally not that high.
Well, that's kind of subjective. We're going up. Oh boy. Okay. Well, I've never done the drop tower, drop line. I'm doing this for you guys. Oh boy. I mean, it goes up.
All right, guys, ready?
Not really, but I guess so. Okay. All right, he said it's like 15 seconds long, right? 15 seconds up, 15 seconds back down.
Big baby.
Okay, the normal ride is 80 seconds. 80 seconds. Oh, yeah, we're going up. I think I don't want to look down. I think I want to look to the side.
It's literally barely off the ground.
Wow, the view is incredible, and we're moving. We're moving. I didn't start a stopwatch. Oh, 80 seconds. I can do it for 80 seconds. Okay, we're actually kind of going, he said he'd try to make it. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay, I'm good. Oh, wow. This is why I realized, oh yeah, I just gotta, oh, that dropped a little bit. I like to just pick a point off in the distance and just keep staring at that. Okay, if you love views, are we at the top? I don't want to look up. Are we at the top, Abby? Okay. All right. Has it been 80 seconds yet? No? Okay, I'm good. I've experienced it. Okay, let's go. Oh, is that down? Are we going down? We're going down? This is awesome. This is great. This is the best part, going down. Wait. Why are we? Okay, I'm good. I'm good. Okay, we're good. We're good. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, I thought we were going down. I think we just hit the top. Yeah, we're good. This is good. This is great. I can officially say I've been on the tallest swing in Tennessee. Oh yeah, okay. We're not swinging around. This is great. I think you maybe had a little more adventurous ride with Hannah and Serenity, but thank you, Abby, for going with me. Oh. All right, there you go. There is the tallest swing in Tennessee. I didn't stay the full duration of the ride, but hopefully it gives you an idea of what the ride is like.
Pretty sure you did.
I think when I said, I'm good, he cut it. He might have cut it. He might have helped me out there because we're still not officially open. Okay. And the ground. Oh, there we go. Thank you guys. Thank you. Oh, I did it. The ground has never felt so amazing. But there is a look at the new swing here at SkyLand Ranch. I will tell you, I got a little bit slower, modified version, shorter version than you'll get. It should be about 2 minutes from the time you take off to come all the way back down, and it will go a little bit faster than the ride that they gave me. They were very gracious and encouraging me to just give it a try. We'll put it on the slowest setting we can set it on. And so I'm glad I did it. I got a feel for what it's like. You get amazing views. For me, it's not so much the height, but sometimes just being in things, chairlifts, but I feel like I can't just get out and move, which is why I'm waiting to take the vehicle back down. But I'm glad I did it. I hope this video has been helpful so you have a better idea of what the swing is like to help you determine if it's something you want to do. It's a nice feature that they've included it with admission. It's not something you have to pay extra for at this point in time.
We'd like to mail one of our subscribers a free ticket to SkyLand Ranch, which would include a ride on their new WagonWheeler swing. Just simply leave a comment on this video and we'll pick a comment at random.
We've always enjoyed coming up here to SkyLand Ranch to just relax, check out the animals and the entertainment, and they always serve up some really good food. You can check out our link to our full tour of this place. I'll put down the pinned comment along with their new breakfast show. Well, that's gonna wrap up this video. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, we'll see you on the next adventure.